I'm Connor Mitchell, and this is Dudley Market. We're in Venice Beach. Today we're gonna make a crudo with some locally caught Blackgill Rockfish. We're gonna start here with just a nice piece of fish. A nice, I like to say, 1/5 of an inch thick slice. Until you've got a little bit of negative space on the plate, but mostly fish. Grab our favorite oil. California Olive Ranch we tend to use the most just because it's affordable here. It's not being imported. It's a domestic product, it's a local product, it's a really good product. Probably gonna take some of my favorite spicy Yuzu koshō and make a little like Yuzu koshō olive oil vinaigrette. For me, if I'm gonna emulsify anything, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna make sure that some of the chunks get around, with a little of that actual yuzu in there for some pop. There's plenty of oil, it's not dousing the plate. Chef Waller made a really awesome house ponzu sauce. With any crudo, I'm still always gonna add some type of fresh citrus. So I was able to find a couple leaves of shiso in the back end. It just made more sense since yuzu is very Japanese. Whenever you're doing herbs, nice slap. We don't like to cut our herbs. We like to just give them little rips and hope that they look pretty. And last finished crudo.